Welcome to the turtle freeze tutorial, one of the easiest freeze in breaking. If you don't know anything about breaking, you can start with this move. The only requirement to be able to do this move is being able to do at least 4 or 5 push-ups. Because you need just a little bit of shoulder strength. Not that much actually. If you have a good technique, you don't necessarily need to be that strong. If you need more help for your breaking, check out my coaching plans, link in the description, or the video courses I made on Patreon. They are mainly power move video courses, but there's also a video course on how to get better faster. That can be useful for all levels, from beginner to advanced, and for all styles like footworks, power moves, freezes, being a complete b-boy, anything. And lastly, if you're interested about learning flares, swipes, windmills and air flare, check out the PDF guides I made. I will leave all the links in the description. So how to start the turtle freeze? You can start in a push-up position, this way here, but stay with your legs wider and with your hands facing the sides, not to the front like this, but to the side. From here, place your elbow on your stomach, close to your belly button, here. Use your strong arm. If you're not sure about which arm to use, try on both sides. So again, start in a kind of like push-up position, but with your legs wide, hands facing the side, then place your, in my case, the right arm close to my belly button. Slowly move your weight a little bit forward. You should find a good spot that doesn't hurt, that feels pretty comfortable. If you feel a little bit uncomfortable here, try to play a little bit and try to find a good spot that doesn't hurt. So once you find this good spot, just move your weight forward and slowly lift up one leg and then try to lift up the other leg. So one leg at a time only. One leg and one leg. You can also bend them like this. When you feel comfortable with this, try to lift up both legs like this, just for a brief moment. Like this is okay. And once you get comfortable even with this, try to hold and lock the position. So move forward and lock. And then rest. And try again. Move forward, lock. And rest. Slowly try to increase and try to hold the position longer and longer. At first, it's very normal if you cannot hold it, and maybe you hold it only half of a second or 1 second, but try multiple times until you can hold it for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and then 5 seconds, and then even more, 10 seconds, 15, and the longest you can hold it, the better. Even if you know which side is your strong side, I still recommend to practice also on the opposite side. So let's say your strong side is the right, try to practice also on the left. In this way you will develop more body control and body awareness in general. It will be very useful if you want to learn more advanced moves. Once you're able to hold the turtle freeze for at least 5 or 10 seconds, try to change the leg shape a little bit. So for example, the first leg shape and the easiest one in my opinion is just folding the legs backwards in this way. Once you can do it in this way, try to straighten one leg like this. And then bend it again and straighten the other one. And then straighten both legs. This is a little bit harder. In this way you will develop even more body control that is going to be very useful later on. For example, for windmills, for other freezes, also other power moves. If you will need more help for your breaking, check out the coaching plans I offer, link in the description, or the video courses, or the PDF guides I made about the windmill, the swipe, the flare and the air flare. And see you next time with a new tutorial. Yo ninjas!